Welcome to the Mathematics of my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting integral from 0 to infinity. Here 5 golden ratio, so 5 root of x times arctan of x over 1 plus x raised to the 5 golden ratio, here square dx. Well, how to begin? Okay, first we can use substitution. So if we take x is equal to 1 over t, now differentiate, so dx is equal to minus 1 over t square dt. Now limit, lower limit when x approaches to 0, t approaches to infinity, upper limit when x approaches to infinity, t approaches to 0. Okay, now we can plug in here. So we can take this is equal to I, and now we know I is equal to, now limits infinity to 0, here x, so we know 1 over t, so we can write 1 over t raised to the 1 over 5 times here arctan of x is equal to 1 over t over here 1 plus, now x is equal to again 1 over t raised to the 5 golden ratio, here square dx minus 1 over t square dt. Okay, now here minus sign, so now we can change the limits. So it's the limit 0 to infinity. When we change the limit, this minus get cancelled. Okay, now here we have t to the minus 1 over 5, here t square, so we can write here t to the minus 2, here we have 1 over t raised to the 2 times pi, so we can write here t raised to the 2 times 5, and then arctan of 1 over t, in the denominator we have t raised to the 5 plus 1 square, so 1 plus t raised to the 5 square, here dt. Okay, now we can write this is equal to 0 to infinity, here we can write same base, so t raised to the 2 5 minus 2 minus 1 over 5 times arctan of 1 over t over 1 plus t to the 5 here square dt. Okay, now we can change the variable. So now we know this is equal to also I is equal to 0 to infinity. Now instead of t we can plug in x, so x raised to the 2 times 5 minus 2 minus 1 over 5 times arctan of 1 over x over here 1 plus t raised to the 5 square, here dx. Okay, now we know our integral is equal to I, and here also this is equal to I, and now we can sum this. Okay, so we can write 2 times I is equal to same limit, so 0 to infinity, here x raised to the 1 over 5 power, here arctan of x, here denominator same, so here plus x raised to the 2 pi minus 2 minus 1 over 5 arctan of 1 over x. Here in the denominator we will have 1 plus t raised to the 5 square here dx. Okay, then now 0 to infinity. Now we can take x raised to the 1 over 5 as a common factor. So here here we change the variable, here x, and here also x. So here 1 plus x raised to the 5 square, and here bracket. Now arctan of x plus, now here we take x raised to the 1 over 5 as a common factor. So but here we have x raised to the minus 1 over 5, so we can write here x raised to the 2 pi minus 2 minus 2 over 5 times arctan of 1 over x dx. Okay, then here also 0 to infinity, x raised to the 1 over 5 golden ratio, 1 plus x raised to the 5 square, and here arctan of x plus, now here this is a power, so minus 2 minus 2 over 5. Okay, now we can take 2 as a common factor, so 2. Now here 5 minus 1 over 5 arctan of 1 over x, and we know the property of golden ratio. We know the fact golden ratio minus 1 over golden ratio is equal to 1. Okay, so here now this term and this term we know 1, so 1 minus 1 we know 0, x raised to the 0 power, so 1. Now here we have arctan of x plus arctan of 1 over x, so we know this is equal to pi over 2. So our integral becomes now 2 times I is equal to 0 to infinity, here 5 over 2. Now here x raised to the 1 over 5, now 1 plus x raised to the 5 square, here dx, here also dx. Okay, then what can we do? Okay, now we can use a substitution. So if we take 1 plus x raised to the golden ratio is equal to u, now differentiate, so golden ratio times x, here golden ratio minus 1 dx is equal to du, and we know the fact 5 minus 1 over 5 is equal to 1, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 1 over 5, so we can write 5x raised to the 1 over 5 dx is equal to du. Okay, now here we can write this is equal to 5 over 2. Now limit here when x approaches to 0, here limit 1, here also infinity, and here x raised to the 1 over 5 dx, we know du over golden ratio times 1 plus x raised to the golden ratio, we know u, so u square. Okay, now this is equal to 5 over 2 times 5 times here 1 over u square, we know u to the minus 2, so if we integrate it, minus 1 over u square, and if we plug in limit, we know here we have 0 minus 1, so 1. Okay, now 2 times I is equal to 5 over 2 times golden ratio, so I is equal to 5 over 4 times golden ratio. Okay, this is the answer. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.